If you've been struggling with mood swings, hot flashes, or just feel like your hormones are all over the place, you've probably come across something called Wild Yam Hormone Cream. One brand in particular, Genesis Holistic Health, claims to be woman-owned, based in the USA, and totally natural. But the real question is it the real deal or just another overhyped wellness product? Let's talk about it. First off, we did a little digging and found that the website's domain was registered in 2023. That's actually a good sign. It's traceable and not some mystery site that just popped up yesterday. Plus, the product is also available on Amazon, which adds some legitimacy since it's not only being sold through their own site. They also state clearly that the cream is estrogen-free and progesterone-free and aims to support your natural hormone balance without using any synthetic ingredients. We love when a brand is upfront like that. Genesis even highlights that it uses 98% organic ingredients, including USDA-certified herbs and food-grade oils, with no harsh chemicals or preservatives. So if you're into clean-label skincare or hormone support, this ticks a lot of boxes. But now, here's where we need to pause a bit. While the brand makes some pretty bold claims, like helping with PMS, hormone balance, and even bone strength, there's no clinical testing or lab results shared on their site to back up any of that. Without scientific proof, it's hard to know how effective it really is. That doesn't mean it's bad, but it does mean you should go in with realistic expectations. Another red flag? There's no real social media presence, which is kind of a big deal these days. A lack of engagement makes it tough for customers to ask questions, share feedback, or feel connected to the brand. Now let's talk reviews. On Amazon, they claim to have over 1,100 ratings with an average of 4 stars, which is pretty solid. One happy user shared that the cream has become a regular part of their self-care routine. They love how it absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and has a light herbal scent. They also use it as a massage cream for relaxation, especially during stressful times. Sounds pretty great, but not everyone's thrilled. One customer mentioned that the cream didn't absorb well, left a greasy film, and their jar arrived only 3/4 full. Definitely disappointing for the price. So is Genesis Wild Yam Hormone Cream legit? It seems to be a clean, plant-based option with some happy users, especially for those looking for gentle, natural hormone support. But keep in mind, there's no scientific backing for the claims, and the lack of social media presence makes the brand feel a bit distant. It could work for you, especially if you're looking for a non-synthetic, skincare-based approach. Just don't expect it to work miracles overnight. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this cream or had a different experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves.